Shepherd with Pamela Shep Productions here. And my pixie has gone long on me. So, and as you can see, I need color and I need a cut. And I really like, I like it when she uses a razor cut. That really works good on my fine, thick hair. So anyhow, I'm going to blow it dry and I'm going to fix a pixie hairdo that the pixie has gone long. And I've had a couple of people keep asking me over and over and over again, will I use rollers or curling iron? So maybe I'll do that today after I do the initial hair blowing. Okay, so let me do that. I'll turn the curling irons on so it can be heating. This is one that's called Wild Primrose. I think it's considered a 3/4 barrel, maybe a 1-inch barrel. And it gets really hot really fast, and then you can turn it up to really high. So, okay, hold on. Okay, hang on. Okay, so I am going to use some of this, what's it actually called? Queen for a Day Thickening Spray, and it's by Bedhead. I am going to use a little bit of that. Hey, Keela. Kitty cat came in. Okay. All right. So I'm going to, ooh, that hair all in there. Okay. So here we go. Oh, I'm on. Okay, so in all honesty, I could just put some let me put this up a little bit. I could put some you know, some stuff in my hair, some product, either the wax or either the manipulator, or I could even just spray it with my Got To Be. I can just spray it and just puff it out, and it would be okay for the day. I mean, it would be okay. But as you can see, it's kind of flipping out, and it's not quite dry in the back, but see how curly my hair goes? It just naturally goes curly. So I would actually need to use a smaller round brush if I was going to use a brush, and get busy and do the back, you know, blow it. But I think what I'm going to do, just for fun, since some of you have asked me to do curls, so I'm going to take the crown of my hair, and I think what I'm going to do is go down to the base of the crown, see, and not go all the way to the end of it. I'll show you why. Let me do one here where I'll see if you can see it. I'll do it to the base, and then I'll curl it all the way and see it totally. It would be, for me, it would be a very curly hairdo because my hair is naturally curly. And I have to work to, see, I've got it at the base, and then I just kind of pull it. And it'll still be curly, see? And so I'm going to do it at the base, just kind of pull it. See, it's going to make it a lot poofier, which is fine. This one I'm going to come forward because, you know, that's my problem spot. You all have problem spots too, I guess. We all probably do. One thing I'm going to do differently, I have moved my sewing room upstairs to what used to be our office. And right next to that is my craft room. It's a small craft room, but oh my gosh, I have a video showing my shabby chic craft room, which is so adorable. I love it. It's one of my favorite places in the house. And it's really going to be a lot nicer, I think, if my sewing room is right next to my craft room, because I use laces for both. I use all kinds of stuff. So I've been moving everything up into this sewing room. I had to get all the files for the office files and get those ready to come downstairs. Because honestly, my husband and I are doing all of our office work downstairs from the couch and from his recliner. And we've got a little file cabinet. I'll have to show you pictures of it, because I have a black baby grand piano, and then I got him a little file cabinet to try to help him keep his mess out of, he kind of makes a mess. But you know what? We've been married 55 years, and that's not going to change. He's just the same, you know. So I'm just going to make the best out of it, work with it, and that's what we're going to do. So anyhow, I have been moving everything. See, I even scratched my hand, and I've been moving, and I actually moved a little bit too much heavy stuff by myself and kind of hurt my back a little bit. So hubby said, don't do that again. So him and some of his workers came. What I did was I took 2 lateral files and I shoved the backs of them together. So there's, you know, the big drawers on the outside. And then he said, for Mother's Day, what do you want for Mother's Day? And I said, I want one of those countertops that you can put together on top of those lateral files, so that I have, you know, a big cutting space and a spot for one of my sewing machines and all that. So he went and got that. And so he actually got a long 10-foot piece and cut it in half. And then he did some kind of, it's not like a biscuit cutter, it's something a little bit different, and shoved them together, which is totally fine. You can barely see a seam, but I have a big cutting mat to go on top of that anyhow, so I really didn't care. Now see, you can pull this forward if you want and if you like, since I've got all this length. Let me just pull this down so that at least that's straight. See what I have to do to get straight here. And then you can pull this one forward if you want. Or if you want, you can put one side back and leave one side forward. I used to wear my hair like that when I was in beauty school. Only my hair was way shorter. But see what I mean about the length? So she's going to call me when she's going to cut my hair and curl it, or color it. So anyhow, this isn't really super curly, but you could use, I don't have any of those electric rollers. I just don't have any of them. A lot of people that wear pixies like this, they have little straight irons like this. And my daughter gave me this one. But you know, I have used a regular curling iron so much of my life that it's just natural for me. Now, this is not a professional one. This one has this spring on it. The professional ones, you have to hold them yourself. And so this one is not like that. And like I said, it gets really hot. So you got to be careful. Let's see, what do I want my bangs to do today? Do I want them to be curly or no? I guess no. But anyhow, I'm just going to just do it kind of like this and see what you guys think. It is more curly. Let's see what you think. Let's see what you think. Okay, well, I'm going to have to manipulate it, or, tease it, or rat it, whatever you want to call it. You know, they keep changing the names of things. Like when I was a girl, when I was a young girl, we called our flip-flops thongs. All of us, we all called them thongs. And my kids, they made so much fun of me. They said, Mom. I said, no, they were really thongs. Well, then I found an old newspaper that was selling thongs for like $1 a pair or something like that. I mean, nice ones. And I said, see, they were thongs. Why wouldn't you believe me? But they just laughed and laughed because we called them thongs. So now they have to be flip-flops because thongs are underpants that, you know, just go, no, thank you. No, thank you. I don't like that. I just don't. I mean, I don't necessarily wear the big girl panties, the big all the way up, but man, come on. I'll have to do a video just not showing it on me, but showing you my favorite underpants. You know, when you get 70, you need to have your favorite underpants, right? You do. You just do. Okay, so see it. All right, so let me manipulate this with Hairspray. Today I'm gonna use this Got To Be Hairspray. First thing is I'm gonna spray it like that so it holds it up a little bit, because I don't like my bangs in my face too much. See, and I can manipulate it, like if I don't want it to poof out too much, I can push it in. And this, what I can do if I don't want it to show, like you can have it show, or you can spray it and push it to the middle and the back, you know? Get it out of the way. So let me see. I'm sorry, I'm having to go so close to the mirror to be able to see. It gets me out of your view. Oh, what I was telling you is moving all my sewing machine stuff. So I'm putting, I have one big way cool table and stuff that's right over there where I had my sewing machine and everything. So I'm going to make like a little place to do my makeup and my hair. So it'll be a little bit nicer. And my husband says, well, then I can put like a pipe or a board or something where you can hang your camera so that it'll be in the right spot for you, because sometimes you're too close or too far or have whatever. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to see if we can make it where it's a little bit easier and I won't have to set it up every time. So I don't know. Well, I mean, at least that's a curly hairdo. Yeah. I always like it to poof out like that in the back a little bit, and just because I like it. But you don't have to have it like that. Okay, and then for my bangs, sometimes I'll tease that and manipulate it the way I want it to go, and then spray it. Yeah. Okay, so what you think about that? It's kind of curly. A little bit more curly, a little bit more poofy. You can push it down or pull it up, whatever you like in your hairstyle. And then let's see. So we're doing it with using the curling iron. What do you think of that? Yeah, with a curling iron. What you think? Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and share this video. I've been noticing some of you share it with somebody else. That's way cool. That's good. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And then my grandbaby's hair makeup station is now going to be my old makeup station in here. So they'll get to, oh, they'll love that. They will love that. Okay, let me put the curling iron back here. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I'm going to set up my new place to videotape and everything. And then also, I reached out to Zenny, whatever it's called, with the eyeglass place to see if they would give me a code that I could get you guys a discount. And they said, well, they already, you know, I can look up how they do their discounts and this, that, and the other. So I don't know. So I'll see about, I'll check on another company that I found a pair of glasses that I really like, and I'm going to do it online so I can show you how I order glasses online. So that'll be fun. Oh, and the magnetic stuff did come for the eyelashes. And I have to tell you a funny story real quick about the eyelashes. When I went to take them off that night after I wore my eyelashes, and I used my, I was rubbing my makeup cleaner on my face like that, and one of them fell to the ground, and the dog took off. She thought it was a bug. Is that funny? So anyhow, I just threw those away. But the ones did come that has the magnetic eyeliner, so I'll do that. Maybe I'll videotape it tonight or tomorrow. I'll do that pretty soon. I mean, although my eyelashes are doing kind of okay right now, and I have this new eyeshadow. Oh, let me show you what it is. I mean, I did order it from Lime Life. But they do have plenty of this kind of color with any Maybelline and Rimmel and MAC and all those. But that's what I put on this time. I did this one all over my eye. I did this one in the crease, and then I did this one right in the corner, so you can see. Yeah, and my eyelashes are doing kind of okay. They're growing back. So they're doing good, okay? All right. Well, blessings to all of you. I hope you just have a wonderful, marvelous day. Tell somebody that you love them today. Sometimes people need that. I mean, even if it's a grandbaby or a child or a hubby or somebody. And have a good day. Have a good day today, okay? And I'll talk to all you good people later. All right. Bye.